Hi there. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Let It Be by the Beatles on the acoustic guitar. If you're a beginner and have little to no guitar experience, this tutorial is perfect for you. Here's some tips before you start playing. Make sure that your guitar is tuned, otherwise it's not going to sound right. Make sure when you're playing chords you press down really hard. It'll hurt at first, but over time you'll build calluses on the tips of your fingers that'll make it way easier. And my last tip is don't get frustrated. Guitar takes time, just like anything, and you have to practice. Alright, now let's learn. The first chord we're going to learn is a C. To play a C chord, you're going to want to put your pointer finger on the 5th string of the 1st fret. And then you're going to want to put your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Then you're going to want to put your index or ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. And then strum. And you have a C. Next chord we're going to learn is a G. This is one of the most common chords in most songs and is really easy to play. So, first we're going to put our pointer finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. Then we're going to put our middle finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. And then we're going to want to put our index or ring finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret. And that's a G. Next, we're going to learn an A minor. First, we're going to start with our pointer finger and put it on the 5th string on the 1st fret and put it on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Then we'll take our ring or index finger and put it on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And that's an A minor. Next, we'll learn an F. F is a bar chord. So that means we are going to bar the 1st fret completely with our pointer finger. And then we are going to take our pinky finger and put it on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret. Then we'll take our ring or index finger and put it on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Then we'll take our middle finger and put it on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And then we're going to bar the 1st fret with our pointer finger. Next we'll learn a D minor. So again, we're going to take our pointer finger and put it on the 6th string of the 1st fret. Next we'll take our middle finger and put it on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Then we'll take our ring finger and put it on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. And that's a D minor. Now it's time to learn the actual song. So we're going to start with just strumming down. So it'll go C twice, A minor twice, G twice, F twice, C twice, and then C twice again. Then we'll strum F, C, D minor, and C once again. That's called a walk down. You'll repeat the first part for the verses and the second part for the chorus, over and over throughout the whole song.
Let it be, let it be.